You already know something is off. You wake up tired even after a full night of sleep. You look in the mirror and something just does not feel right. Your energy is gone, your clothes fit differently than they used to, and no matter what you try, nothing seems to stick. And the worst part is, you are doing everything you think you are supposed to be doing. You are trying, you are pushing, and still, nothing changes. That feeling right there, that frustration, that quiet exhaustion of trying and not seeing results, that is exactly why you are here today. So let me ask you something. What if the problem was never your willpower? What if it was never your discipline or your motivation? What if the real problem was simply that nobody ever told you the truth about which foods actually transform your body at a biological level? Because here is what most people never find out. There are specific foods that trigger real, measurable changes inside your body. Changes in your hormones, your metabolism, your inflammation levels, your energy output, not in weeks, not in months, fast. And today, I am going to show you exactly what those 7 foods are, and more importantly, why they work so powerfully. Now, before we go further, I want you to know that there are programs linked in the description of this video that go much deeper into everything we are going to cover today. People who have used those resources have reported dramatic shifts in how they look and feel in very short periods of time. But here is the thing. Not everyone is ready to take that step. Most people will watch this video, feel inspired for about 10 minutes, and then go right back to doing what they have always done. That is just the reality. But if you are the kind of person who actually wants to change, those resources are there for you when you are ready. Now let us get into it. Number 1. Salmon. And not just any salmon, wild-caught salmon. Here is what most people do not realize. When your body is inflamed, everything shuts down. Your metabolism slows, your brain feels foggy, you store fat more aggressively. Inflammation is the silent force behind most of the physical struggles you are experiencing right now. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, and those fatty acids are clinically proven to reduce systemic inflammation throughout your entire body. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume omega-3 rich fish experience significantly lower markers of inflammation, better insulin sensitivity, and measurable improvements in body composition. That is not opinion, that is biology. 3 servings a week can begin shifting those markers within a matter of weeks. Number 2. Eggs. Stop being afraid of eggs. The research is clear. Eggs are one of the most complete foods on the planet. They contain all 9 essential amino acids, they support muscle retention while your body burns fat, and the choline inside an egg directly fuels brain function. People who eat eggs for breakfast consistently report feeling fuller longer, consuming fewer calories throughout the day without even trying, and having more stable energy. That is not motivation. That is biochemistry working in your favor. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. Here is where most diets fail. They strip out carbohydrates entirely, and your body responds by craving everything in sight. Sweet potatoes are different. They are rich in complex carbohydrates that digest slowly, meaning your blood sugar stays stable, your cravings stay quiet, and your energy stays consistent. They are also packed with beta-carotene, potassium, and fiber, all of which support cellular health, gut health, and hormonal balance. Your body genuinely needs fuel. Sweet potatoes are one of the cleanest ways to give it that fuel without the crash. Number 4. Blueberries. Do not underestimate how small foods can create massive change. Blueberries are among the most antioxidant-dense foods ever studied, and here is why that matters to you specifically. Every single time your body is under stress, physical stress, emotional stress, oxidative stress from processed food and poor sleep, free radicals are attacking your cells. Blueberries flood your system with antioxidants that neutralize those free radicals. Research has linked regular blueberry consumption to improved metabolic function, reduced belly fat accumulation, and better cognitive clarity. 1 cup a day. That is all it takes to begin the shift. Number 5. Greek yogurt. Your gut is not just a digestive organ. It is the command center of your immune system, your mood, and your metabolism. 70% of your immune function lives in your gut. Most people walking around right now have an imbalanced gut microbiome. And they have no idea that this imbalance is directly causing their fatigue, their bloating, their mood swings, and their stubborn body fat. Greek yogurt contains live probiotic cultures that actively work to restore balance inside your gut. Full-fat plain Greek yogurt also delivers a powerful dose of protein that keeps you satiated and supports lean muscle tissue. This is one of the most underrated transformation tools available to you. Number 6. Spinach. Before you scroll past this one, stay with me. Because spinach contains something that almost nobody talks about. It contains thylakoids, compounds that studies have shown can significantly reduce cravings and appetite by influencing the hormones that signal hunger to your brain. On top of that, spinach is rich in magnesium, a mineral that a staggering number of people are deficient in. And when you are low in magnesium, your cortisol spikes, your sleep suffers, your energy collapses, and your body holds on to fat as a survival response. Adding spinach regularly begins to correct that deficiency, and people often describe the shift in energy and sleep quality within days as almost shocking. Number 7. Green tea. This is not just a beverage, this is a metabolic catalyst. Green tea contains a compound called EGCG, and this compound has been studied extensively for its ability to increase fat oxidation, meaning your body literally burns fat more efficiently when EGCG is present. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that produces a calm, focused mental state without the anxiety or crash that comes from caffeine alone. 2 to 3 cups a day has been associated in research with measurable increases in metabolic rate, better fat burning during exercise, and improved insulin sensitivity. This is not a trend. This is one of the most studied substances in nutritional science. Now stop for a second. Think about your morning right now. Think about how you feel when you first wake up. Think about the energy you have or do not have to get through your day. Think about how your body feels by 3 in the afternoon. Because what we just covered is not just a list of foods. It is the beginning of understanding that your body is constantly responding to what you give it. Every bite, every drink, every meal is a signal you are sending to your cells. And right now, most people are sending the wrong signals every single day without even knowing it. The people who transform their bodies fastest are not the ones with the most willpower. They are the ones who understand the system. They are the ones who stop guessing and start following a clear, proven framework. And the distance between where you are right now and where you want to be is much shorter than you think when you have the right information guiding you. There is a moment, and you will know it when it happens, where something clicks, where everything you have been trying suddenly starts working because you finally have the missing pieces. That moment can happen very soon for you. Most people reading this description will scroll right past the resources linked below, and honestly, that is fine. Those resources are not for everyone. They are for the people who are genuinely done settling for how they feel right now. They are for the people who look at this list of 7 foods and think, I need to understand this at a deeper level. I need a complete roadmap, not just pieces. If that is you, then the programs linked in the description below are exactly what you have been looking for. Do not overthink it. Do not wait until Monday. Do not tell yourself you'll come back to it later. The version of you that feels energized, clear-headed, and confident in your own body is not as far away as it feels right now. That version of you starts with one decision. Make it today.